Hi Sylvia, if you want to insert a link of another web page onto the page of your activity, go to the pages, find the page you want to insert a link in, for example school presentation, click on the edit button and click on the edit button of the page again, and when the page opens in the browser, find this icon, insert a link, click on it, and when another window opens, you can give a title to this link you want to insert. For example, you want to insert a school presentation Poland, then copy the link of your presentation, for example of the Prezi. Yeah, I think it's the link. Copy the link and paste it here under URL and click OK. So now you have pasted the link and you can find the Prezi under this link. Don't forget to save it. So now here is the link to your Prezi presentation. Okay, if you have any problems, please don't hesitate to contact me. Okay, good luck. Bye.